Hey there, we are Underground 3D. Are you looking to create realistic human characters in Blender without spending hours doing every little detail? Well, today I've got something that saves you lots of time and make your work super easy. We are talking about the Human Generator Addon. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this tool is a game character for making stunning 3D characters with just a few clicks. Stick around because I will show you exactly how to install it, use it, and how it can take your Blender workflow to the next level. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the Human Generator V4, explore its features, and show you how you can get it for free through my Telegram channel. Or if you prefer, you can get the official version from their site. Ready to start? Let's go! So, what is Human Generator V4? Simply put, it's a Blender add-on designed to create high-quality human models in just a few clicks. Forget about manually sculpting every detail or spending hours adjusting skin texture and magical. This tool automates the entire process, from body shape and face design to clothing and accessories. You can create a fully customizable human character that looks realistic and detailed. Now let's get this add-on up and running. First things first, if you are want to use the add-on, head over to my Telegram channel where I will upload a free version of the Human Generator V4. Simply download the file, extract it, and let's install it in Blender. Don't worry if you don't know how to install an add-on in Blender. I'm here to get it. So you must first open Telegram desktop and install this file. When you install this file, you must drag file in desktop. Now you must extract this file. Extract here. Password is 1858. Now you must open Blender. Go to edit. Go to preference and add-ons, install, and select this file. Desktop, Human Generator 2. After installing, make sure active the add-on by ticking the checkbox next to Human Generator 3D. So now you must open this option and select folder, desktop, and underground Human Gen, this file, and select content pack. Yes, select content packs. You must desktop, open underground Human Gen Ultimate, select this folder, and select install all content packs. Yes. Once it's active, you will find the add-on in End panel on the right side of the Blender interface under the Human Generator. Yes. Get started. No problem. So now that we have installed it, let's take a look at the interface. Human Generator V4 gives you a bunch of options to customize your model. You can adjust the body, shape, gender, age, university, and 7 the physical features. Let's actually create a character. email, male or female. No problem. If you want to get your hands on this amazing add-on for free, head over to my Telegram channel and download it. Or if you prefer, you can grab the official version from their website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more awesome content. Catch you in the next one.